Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa Staples, and I am part of the EatMoveGrow dental team. Today, we will be walking you through how your school can apply to the Give Kids a Smile online portal. Let's go ahead and get started. To begin, let's walk through the steps. First, you must go to www.ada.org/GKAS. Once on that website, you can create a Give Kids a Smile account or utilize a previous account if you've already created one. From there, you will fill out the Give Kids a Smile product request application. Give Kids a Smile is aware that as you're applying, you are estimating the amount of supplies you're going to need. So please be as accurate as possible to ensure you have enough for all your students. I have created a spreadsheet that can help you compile the needed information before you complete the application. Then, in a couple weeks, in December, you can check back to see if your school was awarded supplies. Then, following the event, you must submit actual event data of what occurred in order to qualify for supplies for future events in future years. So, to specify, many schools will be applying strictly for an education-only event, meaning you're going to receive toothbrushes, toothpaste, oral health education cards, and a plastic baggie to fill all those items inside. Unless you are providing direct care or direct services, then you would apply for a screening or preventative and restorative event, but if that's not the case, then you simply apply for an education-only event. Let's go ahead and go to the website so we can see what it looks like. So when on this website, you're going to click the button Sign Up or Enter Event Data. When you click that button, you'll be taken to the landing page to either create an account or access your existing account. If you do not have one, you click the Sign Up button. You acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then you continue to sign up, and you can sign up through email or through a text message, through your phone number. I'm going to go ahead and access our Give Kids a Smile event account so you can see what it looks like. So we've already applied for the EatMoveGrow program. In order to apply, you click that blue Add button in the top right-hand corner, and you enter the needed information to apply for your event. Like I had mentioned, I have created a spreadsheet where you can access sample responses to submit when you're submitting your application. Here, you can see all the needed information that you need to apply, as well as account information if you're creating an account for the first time. We're going to go ahead and go back to our PowerPoint. Let's review some important dates. So you have until now, starting today, from now until November 15th to apply. Then on the Give Kids a Smile website on December 6th, you can go check back and see if your school was awarded supplies. Then on January 19th, or the week of January 19th, your products will be delivered to the address you listed on your application. And then you can have your Give Kids a Smile event occur in February, throughout the month of February. But Give Kids a Smile has a national kickoff day this year that's occurring Friday, February 4th. Additionally, by May 2022, you must submit actual event data through the Give Kids a Smile online portal. Like I had mentioned, it impacts future applications if you apply and if you don't enter that data. So you must submit that data. Let's go ahead and walk through. Here's where the list will be, where they list the states and schools and locations that have been awarded supplies. So check under this blue button, it'll be listed around here. And then additionally, when you're in the platform, you enter an estimated amount of information to submit your initial application, but then you submit show actual data. where you actually submit what happened following the event. And then just as a reminder, you can continue to check out our website for educational resources and accessing an oral health lesson that EatMoveGrow has created. You can also follow us on social media to learn more about our program throughout the month of February and beyond about all the things that we do related to oral health and overall health. This is the contact information. Feel free to contact our program if you have any questions or concerns about your application. We wish you the best of luck.